Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I would like to say thank you to Ebonyline for providing today's unit. In today's review, I'm going to be reviewing the Bobbi Boss Vanessa unit in the color 99J. And before we jump into today's video, I would like to give a huge shout out and special thank you to Magical Blackness for collaborating with me on today's video. If you aren't familiar with her, she does wig reviews here on YouTube, some on synthetic wigs, some on human hair wigs. We have all different lengths and colors as well. This is a part of her She Slays collaboration where it leads up to her birthday on February 7th. So happy early birthday to you. So after you watch today's video, make sure you guys go check out her video and leave her a happy early birthday comment underneath her video as well. So thank you sis for reaching out and collaborating with me today, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. You guys, so here we are. We have the Vanessa 99J blowout unit, and this texture is bomb. You guys already knew I was gonna come with that, okay? So let me just give you a little bit of information from the stock card on the unit. So this is their soft blowout natural texture unit. It has a 5-inch deep part lace parting space. It's safe for you to use some heat on. It doesn't give you the heat the highest heat you could go up to. So it is a free positioning wig, so you can wear it in the middle or you can wear it on the side. This unit also comes in other colors, you guys, if you're not feeling this burgundy shade we got going on here. The model's color is really pretty. They have 1B, 2, some blonde shades, a bunch of different blonde variations of shades, and then with their blowout series they also have 2 additional units on this line as well. So that's all the stock card information. Let's start off with my rating of this unit. I'm going ahead and giving her a straight 10 out of 10. I really like this unit. This is one of those units that I would like to have a bunch of backups in, as well as different color options as well. So straight up, my first pro is the texture. I love this natural blowout texture. It's just comforting to me. Like, I feel like it can really go as my hair. So anytime I see a unit that is going to have a natural texture to it, a yucky texture to it, even a kinky texture to it, blowout texture to it, I'm all for it, okay? That's gonna be one that I'm gonna run to. So I really love that. The simplicity of this unit also is just really amazing. You do not have to do a lot of work to this unit. Literally, the only thing I did to this unit, the only thing, 2 things that I did was cut off the lace. 3 things, let me put it that way. Cut off the lace, put some makeup in my parting space, and then flatten it a little bit with my hot comb right there at the roots, and that was it. Literally it. That's all you have to do to it. If you want to straighten out the hair, you could do that. You might lose a little bit of texture. It might just, you know, become more straightened versus having that blowout look, but I want to stick with the blowout look. Another pro being that you can reposition your parting space. So if you don't like middle parts, you can wear her on the side. So those are really all the pros that I have about it. It's super big head friendly also. I know that it's a really big factor to most people. It is definitely big head friendly. I do have more space back here. I could do the adjustable straps if need be, but I didn't do them today. Also, I had no shedding, no tangling at all. However, I do feel like if you wear it over time, of course, it's going to end up tangling because it is a little bit on the thicker side as far as density and how much hair is on here. And then also with it being longer, it's going to tangle. You know, it's going to get that little tangle effect right there in the back like most synthetic wigs do, even human hair wigs. And you'll just have to make sure you keep a brush or comb on standby to make sure that you can get rid of those little kinks. Got it. I didn't do any baby hairs to it, and I don't think it comes with baby hairs, but you could create your own if you want to. I really love the fact that this is a grab, put on and go type of wig, and you are literally good to go. I did my makeup, put my outfit on, hair done, and that's it. So I mean, and even when I put the wig on, I looked at my time card when I was recording, and it literally said 13 minutes. So with my editing, I probably took that down to about 5 minutes, but y'all, it was the quickest process, and it's going to be even shorter the second time you wear it because you already cut the lace off. And anything that you might have to touch up would be just like putting makeup in your parting space or putting a little bit of heat on the roots if you prefer like a flattened out root surface versus the thicker side. I can also swing this to the side in case you guys want to know what that looks like, because I'm kind of curious myself. So even with a side part, y'all, she is still banging, still serving that 10 out of 10 rating for sure. Lengthwise, I did not touch on the length. The length is probably about 22, 24. It's a pretty lengthy unit. I would give it about 22 max, most likely. So if you like longer hair, this would definitely be one for you as well. But that's really all I got to say about the unit, guys. It speaks for itself just by looking at it. If you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out the link in my description bar below. I will have the link there for you. Special shout out and thank you again to Ebonyline for sending over today's unit. Also, don't forget to go watch Magical Blackness. Her video is out now, and she is doing a review on the Outre Janice unit. You don't want to miss that unit. That unit is a bomb. So I'm ready to watch it myself. Hopefully she has a lot of good things to say about it, because I love that unit myself, so we gonna see. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.